Now let's analyze the decimal form of 1 by 3 is equal to 0.333 etc. in detail. See, 0.3, 0.33, 0.333 and so on are the decimal form of a fraction with denominator 10, 100, 1000 and so on, isn't it? That is 0.3 is 3 by 10, 0.33 is 33 by 100 and so on. What about 1 by 3? Yeah, 1 by 3 is not a fraction with denominator a power of 10, isn't it? What was the decimal form of 1 by 3? Yes, it was 0.333 etc. And this is not the decimal form of a fraction with a denominator a power of 10. First, do you remember the first stage? You all said that we cannot represent 1 by 3 as a decimal form. But now we found a method to find or to represent any fraction in decimal form by using a particular method. In short, we can say that 1 by 3 is a fraction which is approached closer and closer by a whole stream of fractions. Here, the whole stream of fractions are 3 by 10, 33 by 100, 333 by 1000 and so on, whose denominators are powers of 10, isn't it? So, read once again. 1 by 3 is a fraction which is approached closer and closer by a whole stream of fractions with denominators powers of 10. Now, let's do a small problem. Tell me, find the decimal form of 2 by 3. How you are going to do this? Yes, by using the same method as we seen in the case of 1 by 3. Here, we can apply 1 by 3 in a certain way. Let's look it out. So, considering 2 by 3, can you split 2 by 3 in terms of 1 by 3? Try. Yes. This can be written as 2 times 1 by 3. And what is the decimal form of 1 by 3? Correct. It's 0.333 etc. And 2 times 0.333 etc. gives 0.666. We all know the decimal multiplication, isn't it? So, what can you say? What is the decimal form of 2 by 3? It's 0.666 etc. Very good. Let's look at another question. For 2 by 3, find fractions with denominators powers of 10 getting closer and closer to it and hence write its decimal form. See, read the question once again. Find fractions with the denominators powers of 10 getting closer and closer to it and hence its decimal form. Here, which method you are going to apply? Yes, the same method as in 1 by 3. So, what is the first step? Yes, writing 2 by 3 as 2 into 10 by 3 into 10. That is multiplying numerator and denominator with 10. What was the second step? Yes, splitting the fractions into 2 by 10 and 10 by 3 and then multiplying. Again, what was the next step? Yes, dividing 10 by 3 and finding its answer as 3 plus 1 by 3 and replacing 10 by 3 as 3 plus 1 by 3. Very good. Then we are applying distributive property and we get 6 by 10 plus 2 by 30. And tell me the next step. Yes, bringing 6 by 10 to LHS and thus we get 2 by 3 minus 6 by 10 equal to 2 by 30. And so, the final answer in this step is 1 by 3 minus 6 by 10 equal to 2 by 30 and we consider it as equation 1. Tell me the next step. Yes. Multiplying both numerator and denominator with 100 and then splitting it as 2 by 100 into 100 by 3. Again, we are dividing 100 by 3 and writing it as 33 plus 1 by 3. If you have any doubt, do it and write 33 plus 1 by 3. What was the next step? Yes, applying distributive property, and the first term becomes 66 by 100 and the second term is 2 by 300. Again, what we are doing next? We are bringing 66 by 100 to the LHS and we get 2 by 3 minus 66 by 100 equal to 2 by 300. And in this step, the final answer is 2 by 3 minus 66 by 100 is equal to 2 by 300 and we consider it as equation 2.
So, today in this class, we have discussed the decimal form of 1 by 3, isn't it? I hope all of you understood the steps. So, go through the steps twice or thrice so that you get a thorough understanding of the concept. And you also seen the first few steps of 2 by 3, isn't it? So, complete the decimal form or the steps of 2 by 3 and find the decimal form of 2 by 3. I again repeating, go through the steps once again. We are going to deal with more problems based on this concept. So, get thorough understanding of the same concept and let's meet in the next class. Thank you.